Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So in the previous videos, as we have discussed the three evolutionary theorists named Allama ibn Khaldun, second Herbert Spencer, and the third one was Ferdinand Tönnies. Now in these series which we are starting today, we will discuss the order theorists, and the first one is Auguste Comte. So before I start this video, I would like to request you all to please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon beside it so you can get the updates of the future sociology related stuff. Auguste Comte was born in France. He was professor of physics. During his life, there was French Revolution. Socio-cultural institutions had changed. There was social disorganization in society. This resulted in the creation of new social problems. With the expansion of industry, the institutions were affected. Especially the family underwent drastic changes. The peace of the family had vanished and kinship relationship among the members of the families had disappeared. The whole of France was in the grip of these conditions. Comte thought on these problems deeply and came upon a solution which he presented in the form of a new science, theories of Comte, later called sociology. Comte said that how foolish is the man who is busy in the study of the things around him, but little he knows about himself. He said there is need of a knowledge which may deliver the principles of social life to man, which may solve his problems and help him in understanding the conditions of life. So as we come towards the theories of Comte, first of all, we will discuss the birth of sociology. With the advancement of industry and technology in France, the society was undergoing enormous social changes in the form of revolution. The social conditions were changing rapidly. There was dissatisfaction in society. People became wealthy but lost their peace of mind. They were enjoying all sorts of luxuries but no calmness in life. There were numberless social problems with no solution, and people were worried. They had gone ahead in material progress, but little change in non-material culture was accepted. Due to inventions and discoveries, there was industrial progress, but the society was in the same traditional ways in view of social conditions. The customs and rituals were traditional, and the society had fallen into the cultural lag which had created social disorganization. Some thinkers thought that man had progressed in material life, but he had lagged behind in understanding his social life. There was no science available which could solve social problems and may help in understanding the conditions. Comte named such a science as social physics in 1836 AD. Later on, this name was reframed by consensus as sociology. Later on, this name was reframed by consensus as sociology. In this way, sociology became a social science. Comte was influenced by social conditions of the French people. Both the philosophers gave birth to sociology with their own names. Martindale has said that Ibn Khaldun is really a founder of sociology. So in the theories of Auguste Comte, there are types of science. Basically, Auguste Comte gave two types of science. The first one is theoretical science and the second is applied science. Theoretical is the science which deals with the principles, hypotheses, concepts and facts. Theories after the test of time become principles. This is the main knowledge of theoretical science, which is transmitted from one generation to another through education. This knowledge is preserved in the form of books which are stored in libraries. Theoretical knowledge is expanding day by day because researchers are going on with the new facts. The old and wrong concepts and theories are being rejected or amended by this way. The scientific knowledge is growing and developing with the passage of time. Atomic knowledge and the information about planets is adding into our knowledge. 30 years before today, we had no such information and knowledge which we have today. On the other hand, applied science is the type which converts the theoretical knowledge into practical shape. By the application of this knowledge, we make inventions and build industries by which electronics has entered almost in all walks of our life. New things are being produced, and it is all due to the application of theoretical science. Man is busy in solving his problems by using different products of industry. Technology is the basic element of industry. Technology and industry revolutionized human societies. Human progress is due to the application of the scientific knowledge. Let's discuss Auguste Comte's law of three stages. According to Comte, the sciences emerge in a chain system. One science develops and the other follows it, similarly in the form of stairs. We find all the physical and social sciences standing in a row interrelated together. One science prepares the ground for the other. This is natural process. Man planned and devised techniques to arrange such knowledge in the form of a science. The first subject which was explored by man was mathematics, followed by mechanics. Later physics came, which was followed by chemistry. After these, biology was the major science, developed and applied in the treatment of diseases of animals and human beings. After these physical and natural sciences, a lot of social sciences came, and sociology was one of them. It contains the qualities of all these 5 sciences and adopts their principles of research. Sociology was the last to come, according to Comte, in 19th century. Comte said that all these sciences develop with 3 stages to come: theological stage, metaphysical, and positive stage. He stated that those sciences which are simple in nature pass through these stages very rapidly, and these are natural sciences. They deal with material objects in theory and research. These are maths, mechanics, physics, chemistry, and biology. The more a knowledge is simple, the more rapidly it will pass through these stages of progress. He says the more a knowledge is complex, the more slowly it will pass through these stages. The first stage, which is theological, deals with religious and supernatural explanation of the science and social phenomena, in which we have little experimentation. This explanation was found in the old age prior to 1300. We had no question about its validity because it was religious and spiritual in nature. Religious and spiritual explanations of social phenomena were accepted by the people without any question. During this period, the major system emphasized that the belief supernatural powers and religious figures are the root cause of everything. Comte said that there are 3 stages through which the world has gone through its history. Comte believed that not only does the world go through this process, but groups, societies, sciences, individuals, and even minds go through the same stages. The second stage, which is the metaphysical, has philosophical characteristics. Comte called it metaphysical. This stage occurred roughly between 1300 and 1800. In this stage, we explain the observed facts and bring them into writing. This stage requires discussion, and the knowledge gained is found in the form of books. This stage was found in the Middle Age as well as in our discussions as a matter of philosophical knowledge in this age. The third stage, which is practical in nature, is actually scientific, called positive stage. It is related to experimentation, observation, deduction, induction, measurement, and deriving inferences. This stage came in 1800, and it is the result of modern scientific research. The scientific method is applied in this process. Here, nothing is believed without experimentation and observation. Moreover, verification of the finding is done again and again till there is consensus on the facts. This stage is found in all the natural sciences. Comte said sociology has not attained this stage of positivism still. It is moving ahead towards this positive stage of science. Some modern thinkers believe that sociology has reached this stage of positivism. Some believe that it is philosophical and scientific as well. It means sociology is more scientific discipline than an art. It can neither be categorized into pure science nor total art. It is both the science and the art. Sociology, being a new social science, has not reached this stage of positivism, according to Auguste Comte. Coming towards the fourth theory of Auguste Comte, which is the theory of social static and social dynamic. According to Comte, social system is controlled by the natural laws. The basis of social order is on consensus universalism, which develops with interrelationship among the elements of society. By this, the people of human society get cohesion at the highest stage, leading to social solidarity. Social labor is also divided, and the society works like an organization. The parts of society function at their positions, similar to the functioning of the parts of human body. Society is organized and working in an integrated condition give birth to social structure. There is social system forming social organization in the form of social order. The study of society in this condition, with all its parts, institutions, and groups working in an interrelated set with the satisfaction of needs, is called social static or static sociology. However, individual performance is observed at his position, by which division of labor is maintained in society. The problems of crime and disorganization are found minimum in this condition. By static sociology, Comte means the study of human society, while the latter is in the condition of a natural change, evolution. The groups, institutions, and the individuals function their roles according to their status. They are engaged in their activities in an organized form. Organizations among people develop setting into social order. Organizations among people develop, setting them into social order. The norms of society are observed with least violation. Interrelationship among groups and institutions by Comte is called elements of the society, hence social structure is maintained. In this way, social organization, social order, and social structure get organized into one another. This whole setup is based on division of labor in the society. The foundation of this condition of society is laid on universal principle of consensus. It means similarity creates the principle of consensus and cohesiveness, which sets the whole society in order. The study of society in this condition is called static sociology. Every society in the process of social change, and the study of social change is called dynamic sociology. Society is ever changing from one condition to another. Its natural condition is called social evolution. If change is brought by force, it is called revolution. If it is brought according to social will and requirement of the people, it is called social progress. Comte laid emphasis on the study of social change and said that in this condition, people get changes through change in mind and ideas, after which moral, political, and economic changes follow. To study this changing condition of society is called social dynamic or dynamic sociology. Dynamic sociology is the study of human society in a condition of social change by Comte. No human society is static in nature. The changes brought by any social process make it dynamic. So the main work of Comte are the prospectus of the scientific works required for the reorganization of society, which he wrote in 1822, and this was a joint work of Comte and Saint Simon. He also wrote Positive Philosophy from 1832 to 1842 in 6 volumes, and he wrote Positive Polity from 1851 till 1854 in 4 volumes. So this is all about Auguste Comte. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.